Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Hilton Aspire Credit Card. The Hilton Honors Aspire Credit Card by American Express is one of the top premium travel cards for Hilton fans. It gives automatic diamond status, meaning you get benefits like room upgrades, late checkout, and free breakfast at Hilton hotels without needing to stay many nights. The card also gives a free night rewards every year, which you can use at most Hilton properties, and you can earn another one if you spend enough during the year. You also get up to $400 in Hilton Resort credits each year and extra credit for airline purchases. The point system is strong too, as you earn more when you book Hilton stays, flights, or dine at restaurants. However, the card comes with a high annual fee of $550, so you need to make sure you use the perks to get your money's worth. If you stay at Hilton hotels often and use the free nights and credits, the value easily beats the fee. But if you rarely travel or don't stay at Hilton properties, it may be not worth it. Overall, Hilton Aspire Credit Card is perfect for frequent Hilton travelers who want luxury benefits, free nights, and elite status. For occasional travelers, though, the high annual fee might not make sense. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.